Hey, Amazon seller. I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon product research tools like Helium 10. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, using Amazon product research tools like Helium 10 can significantly enhance your ability to identify profitable products and make data-driven decisions. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Helium 10 effectively. Start by logging into your Helium 10 account. Once you're in, navigate to the black box tool. This is where you can begin your product research. Enter your criteria such as product category, price range, and estimated monthly sales to find products that fit your requirements. Next, use the Magnet tool to perform keyword research. Enter relevant keywords related to your product niche. Magnet will help you discover high-traffic keywords that can drive more visibility to your products. Check out the Cerebro tool to analyze your competitors. Enter a competitor's ASIN to see what keywords they're ranking for, their estimated monthly sales, and their product performance. This can give you insights into what's working for them and help you refine your strategy. Don't forget to use Trendster to analyze product trends over time. This tool can show you how a product's performance has changed, helping you spot seasonal trends or emerging opportunities. Finally, leverage Profits to track and analyze your financial performance. This tool helps you monitor your profits, expenses, and overall financial health, allowing you to make informed decisions about scaling and optimization. By utilizing these tools within Helium 10, you can enhance your product research process, identify profitable opportunities, and make data-driven decisions to grow your Amazon business. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.